I've got 2 small children and I want to see them grow up, but I can only do that if I work safely, and I can only do that if everyone around me is working safely. In my early years, an individual I knew well who mentored me well for my first times offshore was involved in a fatal accident. So I understand the implications of when things go wrong.
Whether they're a contractor, a member of staff, a visitor, everyone has got a right to go home from work from a hard day's graft, hopefully, without injury, enjoy their mince and tatties and watch a bit of Corrie or Emmerdale, whatever it is that takes their fancy.
We went a full year without a lost time injury, in fact without a first aid injury at site. We operate in some of the harshest and most hazardous environments in industry. If we strip it back, it's the reason we exist, to get everyone home safe.
The products we supply that our techs that are hanging off the ropes are either maintaining or fitting, they stop explosions happening, right? They're a safety critical kit.
Dron and Dickson are specialists in the wholesale and distribution of electrical products. The engineering services that support those products, whether that be installation, commissioning, ongoing inspection and maintenance, and then we also provide cable solutions, the part that connects everything together.
Obviously with cable, you're talking about holding a lot of value, different types, so they're all tested, they're accredited, used for things like fire and gas systems, emergency shutdowns, telecommunications. Being able to supply and have cable on site within an hour or two, that just shows what we're about. Just love cable.
The guys that we have, the technical authorities that we have here, some of those are world level technical expertise. There's something that you can't put your finger on in this place, but it's absolutely people related. There's the culture, the family feel, the caring for each other, the caring for the person sat next to you, and the care for the work that you're doing. That's the thing that drives people here.
Everyone home safe to me means getting home safe to my 2 cats, Boris and Leland. They're my world. But not just that my team get home safe, to the people and animals that love you. That's what's important.
Personally, it's about getting home to my little family down the road so that they can get the best of me.
We're ultimately contributing to the client's safety culture as well, and that's what's important. We actively control and mitigate the risks for the projects and the delivery of the work.
Well, you've got a business of people that believe strongly in a message like that, and you're going to have people that go to that site and they are going to up-level the standards of safety on that site.
Everyone does that right, then these guys get to go to their bunk beds at night and eventually go home after a trip, so it's ultimately what it's about.
We don't rest in our laurels. We continue to strive to be industry leading. We put proper resources and budgets in place so that we continually improve. To me, it's just getting home every night to my family. It's about everybody who works at Dron and Dickson and everybody who interacts with our work activities, getting home to their family.